Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain alternative days concept problems in time and work by using shortcut. Before going to that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it now. Let me consider example problem. This is our example. A and B working separately can do a piece of work in 9 and 12 days respectively. If they work for a day alternatively, A beginning in how many days the work will be completed. Okay, so this is our example. If we solve this example with regular procedure, it will take a minimum 5 minutes of time, but by using my shortcut you can able to solve this within 10 seconds of time. Okay, watch complete video. So in this example, what is given? A can do a piece of work in 9 days and B can do the same piece of work in 12 days. Okay. So in this shortcut, first calculate LCM for these two numbers. Calculate LCM for 9 and 12. So what is the LCM for 9 and 12? So here LCM is 36. 36. So after calculating the LCM, so take this 36 by 9. 36 by 9 is 4. Note down here. So after that, take 36 by 12. So what is 36 by 12? That is 3. Okay. So next add 4 and 3. So if I add 4 and 3, I will get 7. So note down 7 here. So this is the 7. So after this, we have to multiply 7 with a number that result should be equal or nearer to the 36 because our LCM is 36. Okay. So listen here carefully. So we have to multiply this 7 with a number. We have to multiply this 7 with a number that result should be equal or nearer to our LCM, but it should not exceeds our LCM. So what is the LCM here? 36. So therefore that result should be equal or nearer to the 36 and it should not exceeds 36. So for example, if I multiply this 7 with 5, so if I multiply this 7 with 5, then the result is 35. So that 35 is nearer to the 36, right? So therefore I am multiplying this 7 with 5. Okay, so take 7 into 5, that is equal to 35. Okay, so what is the difference between LCM and this 35? So here the difference is 1. So therefore note it down, that 1 in brackets. Okay, because this 1 is the difference between LCM and 35. So after that, multiply multiply this 5, multiply this 5 with 2, multiply this 5 with 2. Why? Because here two members are working in alternative days, right? A and B, two members are working in alternative days. So therefore multiply this 5 with 2. So if I multiply this 5 with 2, what is the answer? Answer is 10. Okay, so here the answer is 10. So here 10 means, so for example, so if the total work is divided into 36 parts, if the total work is divided into 36 parts, because our LCM is 36, right? So this means total work is divided into 36 parts. Okay, so here the meaning of 10 is two members worked for 10 days. Two members A and B worked for 10 days alternatively and completed 35 parts of the work. 35 parts of the work. Okay, and what is the remaining work? One part. Okay, so that one part should be completed on 11th day. Okay, so who will work 11th day? A. Why? Because A started the work. A started the work. So therefore 11th day work should be completed by A only. Okay, so therefore I am adding that. So plus, so take this remaining work by A number. So what is the respective number for A? 4. So they take this 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So therefore total work will be completed in 10 1 by 4 days. 10 1 by 4 days. Okay, so this is the answer. Let me consider one more example. So this is the second example. So in this, A and B working separately can do a piece of work in 12 and 24 and 12 days respectively. If they work for a day alternatively, A beginning in how many days the work will be completed. So this is the example. Once again I am reading. A and B working separately can do a piece of work in 24 and 12 days respectively. If they work for a day alternatively, A beginning in how many days the work will be completed. So here also I am using same shortcut. So first, what is given in this example? A can do a piece of work in 24 days. After that, next B data is given. So B can do the same piece of work in 12 days. B can do the same piece of work in 12 days. So therefore, calculate LCM for these two numbers. What is the LCM for these two? LCM for 12 and 24 is 24. Okay. So after that, take 24 by 24. 24 by 24. Answer is 1. So next 24 by 12. 24 by 12. So answer is 2. Add this 1 and 2. You will get 3. Okay. So after this we have to multiply this 3 with a number that should be equal or nearer to our LCM. That should be equal or nearer to our LCM, but it should not exceeds our LCM, right? So for example, if I multiply this with 8, if I multiply this 3 with 8, the answer is 24. Therefore, this is equal to 24, right? Okay. So there is no difference between our LCM and this answer. So therefore, I am taking a 0 in the bracket. So here I am taking 0. So after that, multiply this 8 with 2. After that, multiply this 8 with 2. So why we are multiplying only with 2? Because here two members are working alternative days. Two members are working in alternative days. So therefore, I am multiplying this with 2. So if I multiply 8 with 2, the answer is 8, 16. So therefore, total work will be completed in 16 days. Total work will be completed in 16 days. So if you like this shortcut, please comment and share my YouTube channel. Thank you.